Hi everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. And in this short Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide formulas in Microsoft Excel, and even how to lock them so no one can accidentally overwrite them. Let's get started. So, as you probably already know, anytime you double-click a cell that contains a formula, Excel shows you the entire formula right inside the cell. You can also see it up in the formula bar. I'll press Escape to return to the normal view, where Excel shows the formula result instead of the formula itself. Most of the time, this is exactly what we want. The visible result with the formula editable in the background. But there are situations where you might want to hide your formulas. For example, maybe you're sharing this spreadsheet with someone who isn't very experienced with Excel. They might mistake a formula result for a hard-typed number. Or maybe you simply don't want others to see the formulas you built, whether for privacy, clarity, or protection. Step 1. Mark formulas as hidden. To hide a formula, just click the cell that contains it. In my case, I'm going to click and drag to select several cells, each containing a different formula. Then I'll right-click and choose Format Cells. You can also get there by going to the Home tab, looking in the Cells group, clicking Format, and selecting Format Cells. Inside the Format Cells window, go to the Protection tab. Here, I'm going to check Hidden and uncheck Locked. Then click OK. Now at first glance, it looks like nothing happened. If I click away and double-click one of those cells, I can still see the formula. I can still see it in the formula bar too. So what gives? Step 2. Protect the sheet. The setting you applied doesn't take effect until the sheet is protected. To do that, go up to the Review tab and click Protect Sheet. You can enter a password if you want, totally optional, and then click OK. If you set a password, Excel will ask you to confirm it. Now watch what happens. When I click a cell that contains one of the formulas I marked as hidden, the formula is no longer visible. It's not in the cell, and it's not in the formula bar. Meanwhile, the cells I did not hide still show their formulas normally. That's the difference between hidden and not hidden. However, even though these formulas are hidden, I can still delete or overwrite these cells. And that's why sometimes you may want to hide formulas and also lock them. Step 3. Hide and lock formulas for full protection. To show you this, I'll select the same range again, then go back to Review, Unprotect Sheet, and enter my password. Now I'll open Format Cells again, go to Protection, and this time I'll check both Locked and Hidden. Click OK. Just like before, I now need to protect the sheet again, so I'll click Protect Sheet, enter a password if I want, and confirm it. Now the formulas are hidden and protected. If I try to double-click a cell, I get a warning. If I press Delete or Backspace, same thing. Excel won't let me change anything in those cells. So that's the full process. Hide formulas so people can't see them. Lock formulas so people can't change them. Protect the sheet to activate both features. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, follow and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell so you're notified when I post another video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.